This is what I made for camera slider. It's a camera slider. I made all my select ideas. I put it into this. It's a camera slider. This is a knob over here, the potentiometer over here, by which you can increase and decrease the speed at what it will be moving from point A to point B and from point B to point A. Let us say, if we can say this side is point A and that side is point B. Why I am saying A and B? Because I have a small wireless, because it's controlled by wireless RF. So I am having a small wireless remote. If I press A, it is where it is, and if I press B, it goes to that side. I have used a tripod over here and a monopod over there. The fixing is done by a monopod over there and a tripod over here. And this is the switch. As soon as I press the switch, you will find a light, LED light comes out over here, and the LED light also indicates its ID. So now if I press B, you can see the slider while it moves from A to the point B. It has a auto stop. It has a sensors. It will sense out over here and it will automatically stop. If I again now press out A, if I press out A, it comes out from there to the A. I don't have to press anything on the remote, automatically it stops. Because there is a sensor over here, it automatically stops. If you want to stop it at a particular point, say I am setting it to B point, and I want to stop it in between, so I press D, it stops out over there. Now you can come back, you can go forward, whatever it is. If you want to come back to the A, you just press out A, it comes back to A. You don't need to stop over here because it automatically stops out over here. Now, for fixing of the camera, this is a antenna over here for the receiver part of it. And over here we can fix up the camera. I'll just show up. And now with the slider, whatever the things you can think of, you can do it. For example, you can slide from A to B and it can take the movie or pictures. If you have a remote, you can take the pictures with the remote. This camera has a, what do you call, this is my Sony Alpha 6300. It has a remote also. You can click with the remote, so you can take a movie. Actually, this is meant for the movie take. So it is autofocused. Keep it in the autofocus mode and let it move from A to B and B to A. And so all these things you can do. And say suppose some object is over there, maybe a model is over there. So you can just twist it out over there. You can just twist it out over there. And now if it goes from A to the B, it will zoom in. It will zoom into the subject, to the model. It will come out with the close-up concept of the model. And similarly, if you are doing the reverse part of it, it comes out from B to A. So I'll just show it out with the camera, the movement of the camera. So I press the B. It goes from A to the B side. And if you are keeping it up in a movie mode, say like it takes the movie. So it is a wonderful usage of a thing, and you can slow down the speed, you can increase the speed. Now not only in this, and there is no chance of fall, the camera won't fall out because it is locked up over here, it is locked up over there. And secondly, it is the camera will not fall because it is supported by a rod. The vehicle is supported, even it tilts out, the camera will hang but not fall out. So that's the best part of it. And again I can bring it to the A side. I can stop in between. I can again move, stop in between. I can again move, it stops automatically. I can press the B. I can press the B, it goes. Stop it. B, stop it. So it has a full control. So it can be used for zooming, zoom out. It can be used with various lenses. It has various effects and all. And it has a good range. Maybe this wireless RF is having a range of approximately 15 to 20 meters. So even if you are in a big hall or something, you are doing up something in the stage, so it can cover up from a long distance also. You can do this particular shoot cycle. My next version of this will be with a panning, with the auto panning, that is the tilting and all thing will be automatically done now. So you can keep the camera in the recording mode. This is coming up the next. So if anybody loves photography, loves videography and loves this, and the more important thing is you can make it slide in your room also. You can make it work out in your floor also. You just remove this rod. There is a screw over here. Just unscrew it. The rod will be removed up. Bring down the thing. I just